right, so they always say it's not about having the best tool, but it's about having the right tool. And for me, this electric skateboard from Boosted has been the right tool for me. You get on the board, grab a gimbal and a camera, you can follow your action, whether it's cars, people, whatever project you're doing, and get really good smooth footage while having a lot of movement. I've used this thing on different music videos and different client shoots, and quite honestly, it's getting to the point where the grip tape, it's not so grippy anymore, and these wheels kind of seen better days. So, all right, so in today's video, it's not really gonna be so much a gear review, but we're gonna rip this thing apart. We're gonna put some new wheels on it, put some fun grip tape. So let's get into it. Cue that sequence. All right, so now we got this grip tape on, new wheels. This thing should be like a super smooth ride. Big upgrade. Yo.
Kyle, is that you?
Hey, Doc, where are you?
Thank God I found you. Listen, can you meet me at Twin Pines Mall tonight? Your future on YouTube depends on it.
My future? What do I become, like an asshole YouTuber or something?
No, it's not about that. It's about your gear, Kyle. Something's got to be done about your gear.
Doc, what's going on? Where have you been all week?
I'll tell you when you get here. Get here as fast as you can.
All right, I'll be there soon.